Is it poem or poem? Let's understand. Linguistically, the word poem has two syllables. That means the pronunciation of this word is divided into two short sounds. The American and British pronunciations handle these two syllables differently. In American English, the two syllables are smoothly blended together into a single sound, spoken as one syllable, and so sounds like poem. It rhymes with home, dome, foam. But in British English pronunciation, the two syllables are more clearly spoken, and so it is pronounced as poem. It rhymes with them. The first syllable is po, then there is a slight but audible break. The second syllable is a clear, separate sound, like poem. So, American, poem, and British, poem. Which one is correct? Both are correct. It is only a difference of accent, not accuracy. An American saying poem sounds perfectly natural in America, while those following Oxford English or British English, poem sounds natural. Important thing is that poem should never have ya sound. Like if you pronounce it poem, it is absolutely wrong. Same goes for poet, not poyet, and poetic, not poetic. Hope that helps. If you like this information, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with others.